Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a new AI called Bard that can do it all. Bard can answer your questions, write different kinds of creative content, and even translate languages. It's still under development, but it's already learned to do a lot of amazing things. Bard is a large language model, which means it's been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows it to understand the world in a way that's similar to how humans do. Bard can use this understanding to answer your questions in an informative way, even if they're open-ended, challenging, or strange. For example, if you ask Bard what is the meaning of life, Bard can give you a thoughtful answer that takes into account different philosophical perspectives. Or, if you ask Bard how can I write a poem about a cat, Bard can generate a poem that's both creative and well-written. Bard is also able to translate between over 200 languages. This means you can use Bard to communicate with people from all over the world. For example, if you're traveling to France and you don't speak French, you can use Bard to translate your conversations with locals. I think Bard has the potential to be a really powerful tool for anyone who wants to learn more about the world or who wants to create something new. If you're interested in learning more about Bard, I encourage you to check out its website. Click the link below and say hello to Bard. Please feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more bite-sized videos about what Bard can do. Thanks for watching.